Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Hi, I'm Shalisha McCarthy. I'm the young lady that was on the video yesterday. Actually, I was coming from work. It's almost 3 months now I'm riding on the bicycle. Yes, so I'm a general secretary. This is my transportation. Let me show you my baby. Yes, this is my baby. My beautiful baby. And I was actually heading home from work. Yes. Yeah. Want to see my baby again? Sure, let me show you again. That's my baby. My baby. We can go through traffic, no hesitation, no blockage, no obstacle. It's like that. Yes. So this is my heels that I wear today, and this is my...
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I have another video that I'm going to show you very shortly, viewers and subscribers, and that video is going to show off a female riding a bicycle. Alright, now speculations had been made about where the female was going. You know, some people said that she was going home or so forth, you know what I mean, as other things had been said, you see. Now I just showed you a video of a female, and that female claims to be the one that was on the bicycle, right? And you hear where she said that she was riding home and all these things, you see me? Now viewers and subscribers, this video which shows of the female riding on a bicycle, right, it went somewhat viral on social media, and you know, a lot of people find it exciting. You know, a lot of people call the video Miss Independent, you know. A lot of people, they call it a lot of different things, you see me. I guess that them just like the idea to see that a female rather ride her bicycle in her heels to go home than to beg a ride, you know what I mean. So I guess that is what might make this thing so fascinating to so many people. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave the video with you right about now so that you can have a look at it, just in case if anyone didn't see this video before. Alright, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you updated and posted and make you know what I'm going. And you can also let me know what you think about what you have seen in this video. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here is the video, take a look and observe.
Come from working our heels on our bicycle, yo. The struggle is real out here. Watch out for the heels. Hold that. Hold that. What wanna do? We'll pay a light here, mama. Lord, what's your heel? What's your shoes heel? What's your heels?
No, we're going to more.
Hey, we like it. Mama, like your song, it's a green light for sickle away. So we can go out on a pretty car here. Man, I make a boy no ride. Go to open our bicycle from work. Handbag pound waist. Hold that. Green light, mama, go through. I ain't lick it down. Out there.